You know this case well. You look at an item online, wonder whether you should get it or not, think it over and over again, try to think it out. We've all been there and done that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used the UByDesign app to decide whether to bid for a pair of almost new Echo sneakers on eBay. I start my eBay app. Here are the sneakers. I go through the pictures provided, 3 of them. The first one seems the most suitable. I try to save it to my gallery in order to import the shoes as an item in my digital wardrobe. No luck, the eBay app does not allow this, so I make a screenshot of the entire screen. Luckily, you can cut out a portion of the screenshot. What a useful feature! That's the built-in photo editor with my phone. It's an Android phone, but I am sure an iPhone would have something similar. I cut the screenshot as close to the edge of the sneakers as I can. I save the photo, and I am ready to run my UByDesign app and import this questionable new item to be. I open a pair of sneakers. I like to use the Copy Item feature of the app to create the new item as fast as possible. I choose to add the new item's photo from the gallery. Let's run AutoCut on it. The result is not bad. Given our purpose, we could go with that photo. If you are a perfectionist, you can revert to the original image and do manual cut. I cut out the area around the image and do AutoCut once again. This time AutoCut works better. We can rotate the image to be able to cut it out better with our finger and do a few more rounds of cutting and cleaning out the edges. As I said, in this case it's not necessary. We could have gone with the initial AutoCut image. After all, if we physically have the item, we would be able to place it on a contrasting background and make a proper photo that AutoCuts way better. Now we save the photo and get back to our main task, to see how these sneakers combine with the rest of the wardrobe. Let's choose the sneakers colors. That's important. Any other data is not needed now. If we run the AI Stylist hoping to see how our shoes would combine with clothes that we own, this won't work out of the box. The algorithm picks the pair of shoes that match best, so we have to exclude the rest of the shoes for now. We do this with the Available option that you can set for items. We mark all other shoes as unavailable, and we apply a filter to have only the available items rendered in our wardrobe. By default, a new item is always available, so the rest of the items fall into this category. And here it is. We run the AI Stylist again. Let's see the outfits now. This one is good. Let's save it. This one is nice, without the coat though. Let's save it as well. Those two are not bad. This one is great. I like it. Saved. Nice. Saved again. As I browse through the possible outfits the new sneakers are forced upon, because there are no other shoes available, I start to think that I'd love to have them. They bring some color and are a point of interest to a few more boring outfits. Reassured, I decide to bid for them the initial price, and if no one bids higher, I will get them. The sneakers are now mine, and I open their digital version on my app. I add a second photo, this time from the camera. I have placed them on my gold yellow bed cover, which is spread on a chair, outside on the balcony in natural sunlight. So I have contrasting yellow all around them. Here we are, the new photo cuts much better. Actually, it's perfect. Now I can delete the first photo. Note that if you delete the first photo and the new image becomes the main image for the item, all outfits that have the item will be updated. And that's all for today's video. We've just shown you how to use your UByDesign app to decide whether to buy an item or not by checking how it goes with the rest of your wardrobe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in UByDesign digital wardrobe app.